Hello, sixth grade scientists. Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about solutions and mixtures. So before we do that, we need to backtrack and review. First of all, matter is classified either as a pure substance or as a mixture. All matter is made up of basic elements. These elements cannot be broken down any further. They're considered the building blocks of matter. So an example of an element would be like silver. Silver is a metal element. A compound is a pure substance that's made of two or more elements. We can think of water as a compound. Water is made up of the elements hydrogen and oxygen. It's made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom that are combined that make the chemical formula H2O. Excuse me. Also, carbon dioxide is a compound. It's a gas, but it's a compound with the formula CO2. A mixture is something that is made of two or more substances that are combined physically. The different parts of a mixture have different properties. The chemical structure of each part of the mixture remains the same even when the parts are combined. Scientists are able to go back and separate those parts out in a separation process. So think of a mixture. I want you to think of Chex Mix. So if I were to dump this Chex Mix out, which I'm going to, and I can separate this mixture into its separate parts. So I've got the little rye breads, I've got my dark Chex Mix, I've got my pretzels, and I've got the light Chex Mix. So now I've separated all of these into their individual parts. So I took this mixture and I was able to separate this mixture quite easily. A solution is also a type of a mixture. So a solution is when a substance dissolves in another substance. So, for instance, I can take drink mix. I've got Country Time lemonade drink mix, and I can put some scoops in water, and you'll notice that it dissolved. I can't pick this up and have any of the drink mix still on my spoon. It's dissolved in the water. So this is a solution. So what are the types of things that are in this solution, or what are they called? So the one thing is called a solute. It's what dissolves. So in this case, my lemonade drink mix would be my solute. So my solvent would be the substance it dissolves in. So that would be my water. So I've got my solute, which is my drink mix, and my solvent, which is my water. All right, so there are other solutions too, like gases can be solutions. The air around us is a mixture of different gases. So that would be a gas solution. And also the pop that you drink. The pop that you drink has water and carbon dioxide in it. So if you take the cap off of the pop and you leave it overnight, why do you think it goes flat? Well, it goes flat because the carbon dioxide that was in there escapes, and then all you're left with is the water. So that's why it doesn't taste so good, and it's flat. All right, so that also is a solution. All right, so solutions do not make a new substance. So I don't want you to think that. That is a misconception. Solutions can be separated back into their separate parts. And you can think of that as being true as here. Now here it's a little harder to understand, but the drink mix can still be separated from the solution. All right, so in conclusion, we have mixtures that are made up of two or more substances when they are combined, and a solution is a type of mixture. It's when substances dissolve in another substance. So we have solutes, which is what is dissolved, the lemonade drink mix, and a solvent, which is the water, which is the substance it dissolves in. So I have a video for you to watch, and it gives you a little more information about mixtures and solutions. And while you're watching the video, before you do, why don't you find a nice snack to eat while you're watching the video? You can find a nice mixture and form a solution to drink. It'd be a nice snack. All right? So I want you to keep thinking, keep watching, always stay curious, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm getting a little hungry.